108 years is a long time. When Coldwell Banker was founded on August 27, 1906, broad feathered hats were the height of fashion and color photography didn't exist. Since then, Americans have danced to ragtime, jazz, and rock and roll, and worn everything from corsets to poodle skirts. We've seen great technological advances and amazing social progress. And yet, through more than a century of change, Coldwell Banker has remained the #1 choice for real estate, helping generation after generation achieve the American dream of home ownership. But we're not resting on our laurels. Backed by unmatched web resources and a global office network, today's Coldwell Banker associates work hard to achieve the same goal we've had since 1906, providing every customer with the best possible real estate service. Happy 108th anniversary, Coldwell Banker. Here's to another century of success.